Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to unbox this unique calendar. Thanks so much to Affordable Model Kits. They sent me this Edison Model Kit calendar to be unboxed, and maybe I'll show you the assembling part later. Let's see this box that I got. It's written here, Perpetual Calendar, Mechanical Gears LK201. Now let's take a look at the top of the box. It's a bit damaged here because of the shipment, and it's okay, I get this a lot when receiving package from overseas. The right side here written Mechanical Gears 3D wooden puzzle. The left side is the same. And for the back of the box you can see this pic of the finished calendar. There's also the part list in here, which is all things that included inside this box. Okay, let's try to unbox this thing. I'm going to open this box, prepare my cutter. Here. Try to unbox this. To unbox this. Oh, it's really cool. Okay, let's try to open this box. Well, it's kind of difficult. Oh yeah, I need to remove this plastic cover first. I'm so stupid. I'll just open it like usual here. So I'm going to lift it up. Look at this beauty. We got a lot of stuff here. This is the model kit parts that you will build later. This is a rocker business card. I think you can scan the code to follow latest news or talk to the customer service. And here is the manual book. It's pretty simple, by the way, from what I see. Here's also another variant of their products. There's a little white box here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I think this is like a tube to connect the model kit's part. So there's nothing here anymore. Now I'll try to open the model kit parts. Let's take a look at this. Let's uncover the plastic wrap first. And we also got a sandpaper here. And here is another small part. I think it is some connector for the model kit to connect each part. Now let's see the model kit. Here you can see it looks like a date in a calendar right here. And it's beautifully crafted in wood. And here another kit set. It's pretty much great in details. So yeah, before we go to the assembling part, if you're interested in this calendar, you can check the link in the description down below for purchasing the kit. Overall, it's a new experience for me to build this wood model kit. It's really different compared to building a Gunpla or a Gundam. And I love the details on the wood. The instructions are clear and really easy to follow. And yeah, I think you guys should try build one of this. And that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!